Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day. I have some fun new paper collections to share with you from Fancy Pants Designs. And I'm just so excited, you guys. We just received some of their new paper collections, and there's 4 new collections. So I think I'm going to be able to do 2 for this video, and then I'll do another video with the other 2, just so that I don't do a really long video. But look at this. This is so beautiful. I love the bright colors and the florals in this one. It's the Unique collection kit by Renee Looney. So the collection kit, it comes with 12 double-sided papers, and they're really nice. You guys, they're kind of thick and just really fun to work with. So you get 12 double-sided papers, 6 designs, so you get 2 of each, and then you get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So I don't have the sticker sheet to share with you, but I'm trying to do a close-up right here. Hopefully you can see that. And those are the stickers that will be included in the sticker sheet if you get the collection kit. So really cute. I love all the images, the typewriter, the bows, butterflies, and of course the florals. And then here's some close-ups of some of the other images. So how cute. And then here are the different pattern papers, as you can see there. 12 different designs. So I'm going to go through these really quick. I know everyone does like to see, you know, the different papers. So you get this design here, and here's the back. So 2 of those. And then you get this one here, like peacock feathers, super cute. And I love the blues, purples, pinks. And that's the back of that one. You get this one here, super cute, a little bit more dainty, florals there. And here's the back. So lots of navy blue in this paper collection, but I love it. I think it works really well. And this one here with like a pink and blue print, polka dots. This one you get actual peacocks, super cute. And here's the back of that one. And then here's this last print here. It has bird cages and like a navy blue with lighter blue and another floral. So those are the 12 by 12 paper sheets in the kit. And this kit, it comes with, oh no, this is Pink Meadows. Sorry guys, I'm jumping ahead. So I think some of the paper collections, they're going to be introducing sequin mixes, which was really exciting when I opened that up. I love sequins and shakers. So these are some of the ephemera. You get 61 pieces. Here's some of the smaller pieces that I won't take out, but I know everyone likes to look, so I'm going to go through these really quick. I'm not going to read them. I'm just going to kind of hold them up so you can see. This is beautiful. I love images like that. Floral, butterfly, and how about I try this? So you get a little bow there. This is a little light, hanging light. I love these images too. That is beautiful. Typewriter, peacock, and some other ephemera. So lots of these little hanging lights, like vintage looking wire casings, some florals, a little book cover or journal cover that says memories, and there's some of these little tiny ones. Vintage looking locket, little pointing hand, a paintbrush, vintage camera. I love these types of vintage images. And then you get lots of little words and sayings, little playing card. So yeah, this paper collection is has lots of the bright navy blue and purple and pink, like a fuchsia almost. So like these, like a paint swatch. So yeah, what do you think? Am I going too slow? I just, I'd want to share so you can see exactly what's in the ephemera and the kits. And this one looks like a watercolor palette. Or it could be eyeshadows. I don't know. No filter. Another beautiful peacock feather. Typewriter. Ticket. Florals. Another vintage lady image. Florals. I love this little record player. That is so cute. And you get a blue bow here. And so that's one of the ephemera packs. And then you get another ephemera pack here with the more larger pieces and more kind of sayings. Here's a close-up of what's included. And I'll go through them really quick too, or as quickly as I can. So there's that, some little embroidery hoops, which I love. So that's cute. Little embroidery hoops, different sayings on them, sentiments. And I think I'm going to try to, on my list, there's always, handmade cards and mini albums lately. So I think these would be beautiful on some cards. What do you think? So we'll see. These are just like cross-stitch embroidery. So beautiful. Okay, I'm trying to go really quick, guys. And I love cards like this. So pretty. I will hold this up in case you want to see what it says. So, I don't know, this one kind of gives me like planner feels. Like if you're into planners, I think a lot of these would be really cute on your planner layouts. So cute. Like a bingo card that says beauty. Another one that says unique. And a couple more of these ephemera cards. So how pretty. I love this one. I think this is my favorite of the ephemera collections. And then they're also coming out with different foam stickers and puffy stickers. So I think you'll be really impressed if you check them out and you haven't checked out Fancy Pants Designs for a while. They are definitely changing things up, and these are really cute. They're like white foam stickers, alphabets, and you get a few shapes down here. So super cute, and always love the enamel dots. So those match perfectly. And then this one here is the same paper collection, but it is the 6x8 paper pad. So again, I love that they are also double-sided. So I'm gonna just flip through. So same designs as in the 12x12 size. you just get a few more, let me see, you get 24 sheets of 6 designs. So super cute. So that is the unique collection. And then I'm going to be sharing this next one is Prairie Rose. So let me get this one kind of set aside. And I'll share the Prairie Rose here. And I'll do a quick flip through of this 6x8 first. So this is more of like a rustic farmhouse country type of design, but it also has lots of florals and really bright colors and like wood grains. So again, double-sided paper, little cactus on this end over here. You can see that, some florals, and this has little chickens. It's almost like a toile looking design. And here it is in more of a yellow mustard color. Some dainty florals. They look like, you know, like a cotton print would look like. Some denim. Red stars. So it has a few that would work well for 4th of July too, which I like. Because I don't do a lot of 4th of July, but sometimes I like to pick out, you know, from certain paper collections. It would work for a few 4th of July projects. And then here's the puffy stickers that I'm talking about. I don't think they came for all the collections just yet, but they're so cute. It's like a cardstock sticker, and it is it does have a pretty thick foam base. So I think you'll like these. These are perfect for scrapbooking. They're a little bit on the larger size, some of these. And you get all of these. Super cute. So you get 25 stickers on those. And here are the enamel stickers. I love that they have different shapes on these too. Really cute. And then I won't go through all of these because this ephemera pack is just floral ephemera, and you get 34 pieces, and they're basically all florals. Just beautiful bright colors that match the paper collection. So instead of going through each and every one, you get the idea. There are just like lots of florals, which you can't ever have too many. I think florals go with pretty much anything. So these ones, I think I'll share. They're a little bit more like assorted images. So you can really get the feel for like the country, cowboy, western feel of this collection. So there's that. Some angel wings. How cute. I didn't even notice those. What is this? Bison? I don't know. A little vintage picture here. Butterflies, little cowboy boot. Some more florals tucked in. A little rooster tag. This vintage scale. Love that. So cute. Get some little stars there. And this is cute. It's like a little library card, but cut like a banner. Blame it all on my boots. And a little horseshoe, a cactus, another little woolly guy, and we've got some florals, stars, ticket shape, some of the smaller pieces there, some more florals, a little rooster. So, you know, definitely this could go good for like, you know, Father's Day cards too. I always have a hard time with those, you know, male birthday cards or Father's Day. So cute. Lots of the little sentiments. So what do you think, guys? I love it. I love the red in this collection and just all the colors, because you really do get a lot of colors and all of the florals. Cute little bandana or ticket, a little vintage image there with the horse. Sassy and classy. So cute. Little red pickup truck. More florals. Cactus. Teacup. Western. Sorry if I'm out of frame. I love these too. So those are the ephemera and everything for the Prairie Rose. And here is the, here is the collection kit, which again comes with 2 each of 6 designs, so 12 of the double-sided cardstock papers and the sticker sheet. So I already flipped through the 6x8, so I'm not gonna flip through these again. But look, this is the sticker sheet. So I'm just gonna kind of go over it like this so you can get an idea of the stickers that come with the paper collection. So there's that. And so again, that was Prairie Rose and Unique by Fancy Pants Designs, 2 of their new collections. And I'll be back in another video to share the other 2 if you want to check those out. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.